In this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal checkout to a website. Start by signing into your PayPal business account. Once you're logged in, go to the Developer or Business Tools section and create a PayPal app if required. This will provide the credentials needed to connect PayPal to your website. Next, decide how you want to add PayPal checkout. Many website builders and e-commerce platforms, such as WordPress, Shopify, and Wix, have built-in PayPal integrations. In most cases, you simply connect your PayPal account through the platform's payment settings. If you're adding PayPal checkout to a custom website, copy the PayPal checkout code provided in your PayPal account or developer dashboard. Then paste the code into the page where you want the payment button to appear. After that, configure the payment details, including the product, service, or amount you want customers to pay. Save your changes and publish the page. Now test the checkout process by clicking the PayPal button on your website. Make sure customers are redirected to PayPal and can complete the payment successfully. Once the payment is complete, verify that the transaction appears in your PayPal account and that any confirmation emails or order notifications are working correctly. Finally, continue monitoring your payments through your PayPal dashboard to track sales and customer transactions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add PayPal checkout to a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.